Hello my loves, welcome back to another video. In this vlog, on this day Muffin and I decided to take a little short lift and spend the night at Sandton Hotel. It was such an amazing experience. I mean, this hotel is absolutely enjoyable. It's very aesthetically pleasing, it's comfortable, it's clean, it's basically everything that you want in a hotel, including some really amazing views from the very top, as you'll see as this vlog proceeds. So please tuck yourself in and enjoy this vlog. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just rain down on me, let your love just fall like rain. Just rain on me, just rain down on me, let your love just shower me. Just rain on me. Full as a dam at capacity, my passion's about to explode. Yeah, I can't escape, it's surrounding me. I'm caught in a storm that I don't need no shelter from. Rain down on me, chill me with your loving touch. Rain on me, I wanna feel your love is real, so just rain down on me. Rain on fall down on me. Let it fall on me. Fall down on me. Let it fall on me. Fall down on me.
Guys, so I just got back from Northgate, from this place where I was doing my lashes. I did them yesterday because I went to go do my nails there. So I thought, let me kill two birds with one stone and do my lashes there as well. Big, big, big mistake, guys. This is literally the worst lash experience I have ever had. I'm sure you can see my eyes. They are so red. They are so sore. Practically kucacile kwayizolo ukuthi, you know what, I'm gonna have to wake up in the morning and go get these lashes out. I need to soak them off because this was just not gonna work. My eyes were heavily irritated. They were burning. Like, I knew from the word go, okay, you know what, this is not gonna work. From the way the glue was stinging, esangfaka, you know. So, I mean, this is the first time I've had such a terrible lash experience, guys. I do my lashes all the time. Sometimes I do them myself, but I normally go to this other place in Sandton. They give me such an amazing service. No pain, no hassle, nothing. And the lashes look so beautiful after that. And I think what irritated me the most is that after putting on the lashes, you couldn't even see that I have lashes on because they literally looked exactly like my own natural lashes. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, they have no volume, they have no thickness. So I just felt like all that stinging, all that burning, all that pain for absolutely nothing. Like, guys, I'm so disappointed. Like, I am so extremely disappointed. So I went in there today and I was just like, I'm back and I need you guys to please soak off these lashes because there's no way I'm gonna be walking around for 2 weeks, 3 weeks with burning eyes, red eyes, you know, stinging eyes, such extreme irritation. I mean, I even bought eye drops last night to see if it won't help, you know. And I paid 450 for this installation. Where I normally do my lashes, they cost, I think, around 600 rand. So sometimes you just gotta pay for the quality that you want, you know. I mean, if things had worked out at this place, I really would have just gone to do my lashes there because then it would have been more convenient for me than having to go all the way to Sandton. But I don't know. It's fine, guys. I'd rather take the drive to Sandton just to go do my lashes if it means that my eyes will be safe. Because, yeah, guys, I think we need to be very careful about where we get our lashes done. Next thing, sizobola amehlo ngenxa yale glue. You know, whatever glue they're using is a really, really, really bad type of glue. I don't know what that is, but okay, whatever. So yeah, that's why my eyes are so red right now. But anyways, it is what it is. Now that I've soaked off these lashes, I feel so much better. Actually, the irritation on my eyeballs has stopped, so I'm very happy about that. Now it's just waiting for the color to return to normal. But yeah, thank God we were able to take these lashes out before they caused any further damage because, wow. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on that, and just in case you were wondering as well why my eyes are so red, that's why.